So tell me, why did you want to start your own brand, Evonne Essentials?
Well, I was having hair loss issues, and I knew a lot of other women who were having hair loss issues. In 2015, I decided to open up a beauty supply store. And when I was speaking with different women, they were coming to me and they were crying. They were telling me all of their problems with their hair, tell me about their alopecia and about different issues they were having with their hair. And so I was too, so I decided to start making products. Once I started making them and I started selling them in my store at flea markets, I was getting good results. People were coming in and telling me their stories about how their hair was growing. My hair started growing. So then I decided to go on and get them into other places.
So what are the type of ingredients in your products, and where did the influence come from?
The influence came from my daughter, who at the time was in pharmaceutical school. She also is now a doctor, but she was speaking to her professors who are Indian and African and asking them questions for me because I had concerns. And so I got different things like shea butter, biotin, olive oil, castor oil, all of the good ingredients that stimulates hair growth and makes your hair healthy. And that's what I put in my products, and there's a lot more.
So you'd say your products are 100% natural?
Pretty much all my products are 100% natural. And since then I started making other products that are for your skin, that helps nourish your skin for people who have wrinkles, people who have dry skin, people who are going through different issues with their skin or even with their body. I come out with different products that will help that.
Wow, so you're telling me that you have a hair care line and a skincare line.
Yes, and when I first started, I nail salon, but I just focused on nails. But since then, I decided to go back to learn more about the skin and the hair, and I went to school for cosmetology, esthetician, and I went and got my Tricologist certification so I can diagnose people who have hair issues.
And so now you have your own salon.
Yes, so my beauty supply store was doing really well, and I had gotten into major stores like Walmart, and you can find my products there. I decided to open up a spa and treat people with hair loss and people with skin issues, people who just have different concerns, and just also to make people feel beautiful and happy.
So tell me about a couple of your products. I realized that you have 3 different ones. You have a purple one, a green one, and a yellow one, I believe.
Yes, we do. I have Cherry Hydration. It's our natural hair care line. If it's a hair pudding, a leave-in conditioner, a cold wash, and also a hair mist, which is doing really well. My number 1 product that I have is my Sweet Citrus Touch, and that is our magic growth balm. It's for people who have alopecia, bald spots, or just hair just grows slow. It really stimulates their hair and helps their hair grow. We have the shampoo and conditioner and the growth oil that's all natural that goes with it and keep your hair really moist.
Okay, so I realize you talked about it being for a lot of natural hair. Is it only for people with natural hair, like African descent, or is it for everybody?
It is for everybody. It's for all hair types. It's versatile. I use it on people who are Caucasian and in their 70s. I use it on young kids that are 5 or 6. It's for everybody's hair.
So tell me, what comes next? What is your next big goal, your next big dream?
Well, I am in Walmart stores mostly, but you can go to walmart.com and look up Evonne Essentials. I plan on expanding and getting into other stores. My most focus, I'm going to do a lot of videos on helping people to help them with their hair, their skin. We've been hitting the roads, going to different colleges. I have a lot planned for my future, different things we're going to be coming out with. I'm excited.
Good. Well, I'm excited to hear more about what you're doing.
Thank you.